Oh, and that dumb bitch Elissa, like she clipped out like what Kurt actually said on the pizza casserole video a couple days ago. running cover for like his rather inappropriate commentary. Am I getting Kurt on for my next trial stream? No. The last several streams that Kurt ended up on my show were they're a complete disaster. They were not entertaining. They were not funny. The chat didn't want him there. And, he doesn't have anything appealing to him at all. Endogel says, and you were drugged out. Yeah, but like, I was drugged out on tons of streams, and both good ones and bad ones. The last couple times that Kurt came on, it didn't feel good. It wasn't organic. There was no chemistry between him and anyone else, including me. It was really stilted. I didn't like it. Stepping back and observing Kurt from a distance as just a person and not like giving him the deference you give a friend. I don't think he does understand the basic principles of a lot of this stuff. I think his analysis is often lacking. He says it confidently, which comes across as knowing what he's talking about. But I find his analysis is often lacking, critical points of the legal issues. And that shone through when he was hired to draft the Supreme Court, petition for cert. And then at the last minute, they fired him and had someone else do it. And he put both of their briefs into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT told him the other guy's was better. It was because Kurt missed the core issue of the case. He missed the most important thing. I don't think he actually understands much of this at all. Kurt knows a lot of facts about cases, and that is useful and beneficial. I've said he has like an encyclopedic sort of knowledge of Supreme Court cases. That's not quite accurate anymore, the way I look at it. But he has an encyclopedic memory of facts and issue spotting, but he doesn't seem to understand the analysis, and he doesn't seem to be able to synthesize cases together and make analogous arguments about why this case is like that case. And that's, a critical thing for litigation. I don't think Kurt would be a very successful litigator. I also noticed that when he and I would debate constitutional law issues, like he would overlook major constitutional principles, and he would like take this pragmatic approach rather than a principled approach. And the Constitution is not pragmatic. The Constitution is principled. And we would come to disagreements on stuff that surprised me that he would disagree on. It's like, no. I thought everybody would think of this way because, like what you're saying just doesn't make any sense at all. Eventually it was kind of frustrating. The Dragon Axe says, so instead of using booze as a content crutch, you're using Kurt instead. Just be better, bro. Okay.